Hey guys, it's Miss Targonsky, and this week I want to read a story with you called Maria and Her Teacher. Maria and Her Teacher. And just by looking at the front cover of this book, I'm noticing two people. And these two people are who the story is about. Now, whoever a story is about, that's what we call the character. We call those people, or sometimes they could be animals, the character of a story. So in this book, I'm pretty sure we'll have two characters, Maria and her teacher. So I have a question for you. Who do you think is Maria and who do you think is her teacher? Go ahead and point to the screen. Try to point to who you think Maria is. Who do you think the teacher is? Point to that person. Point to that character. I wonder why you think that. So let me tell you what I think. I'm pretty sure that this character right here, this is Maria, and I think this is her teacher. And the reason why I think that this teacher is this character is the teacher is because this character is a little bit older. This character looks like an adult, and this character Maria looks like a child. So maybe somebody that would be in school, maybe somebody around your age, right? So that's what I think about these characters. Now, I want to go through this story and I want to look at the pictures and try to figure out what these characters, Maria and her teacher, are doing in the story. This is really helpful because it helps us understand what's going on in the book. It helps us understand the story a little bit better and try to figure out maybe how the character is feeling or how the characters talk to each other or some of the things that the characters might do together. So by knowing the character, you can get to know the story a little bit better too. So let's take a look here. On the first page, I'm noticing the teacher and Maria. The teacher and Maria. And I wonder, what do you think Maria, this character, is doing in this picture? I noticed that she has 4 fingers up. Maybe she's doing some math. I don't know. Her mouth is open. So maybe that's a clue. What do you think? I feel like Maria is talking with her teacher. She's definitely telling her teacher, this character, something. Let's take a look at the next page. Ooh, now Maria, this character is doing something. What is her? We call this an action. She's doing something. What is this character doing? And maybe take a thought about what the teacher might be doing too. Yeah, it looks like Maria is writing and her teacher is helping her. So maybe they're writing together. They're working on something together. Now, this picture is very interesting to me because I noticed that the teacher's hand is on Maria's shoulder. I wonder what that means. Do you think that the teacher is a nice person? Yeah, I think so, right? The teacher is putting her hand on Maria's shoulder because she cares about Maria's writing. And if you look at Maria's face, we look closely at this character's face. What do you notice? I noticed that, her mouth is closed, her tongue is out. She looks like she's looking down at her writing. It looks like Maria is working really hard. So here we have two characters that get along very nicely and that are working hard on their writing. Let's look at the next page. Maybe you could study this one on your own first. What do you notice? So I notice that they have a book in their hand now. So they're reading. And not only is Maria reading, but her teacher is behind her. Her teacher is pointing to the book. They are reading together. They're reading. And I noticed that, again, they both look very happy. And the reason why I know that is because the characters are smiling. Let's look at the next one. Ooh, now I see Maria and her teacher, and they're up at the board. What are they doing on the board? What do you notice? What signs do you see? What are these signs over here? Are they subtracting? No, they're not subtracting because I don't see a subtraction sign. I see an addition symbol. I see the plus sign. So Maria and her teacher are working together to add. Again, I notice that they're smiling. I notice that they're looking at each other. Maybe you notice something else. Let's look at the next page. Ooh. Now they're looking at each other again. The characters are looking at each other, and I notice that they both have a big smile. So Maria and her teacher, they smile. Now what are they doing? Can you remember what this girl's name is? Can you remember this character? This is Maria. This is her teacher. And together they are painting. They're painting pretty pictures. So I think it's really cool, that Maria's teacher sits with her and does art with her. That's a really fun thing to do together. Again, I notice that they're smiling and they're looking at their work and working hard. Ooh, now they're at the sink together. Again, I notice big smiles on both Maria's face and the teacher's face. What are they doing here? It says clean up after yourself. So it looks like after their art project, Maria and her teacher are cleaning. Ooh, what are they doing now? I see very big smiles on the characters' faces. I notice that their elbows are touching, right? They're close to each other. They have a very good relationship, it looks like in this picture. And I notice that they're playing a game. So I have a question for you. What do you think Maria thinks about her teacher? Do you think Maria likes her teacher? Do you think that Maria and her teacher have a good friendship? They get along very well? Do you think they're friends? Do you think they make each other happy or make each other sad? Why do you think that? So I'm thinking that they do have a really good relationship. I noticed throughout this book they do a whole bunch of different things together. I noticed that Maria's teacher always helps her. And I noticed that Maria and her teacher both always are smiling. They're very close. They're always smiling and happy. I think Maria really likes her teacher, and her teacher really likes Maria. It looks like a lot of fun to be in that classroom. All right, guys. I think you guys did such a great job reading Maria and her teacher with me, or at least looking at the pictures today. Tomorrow, we're going to work on, reading the actual words in the book. But now that we have a good idea about the characters, we can learn more about the book a little bit more easily because we've already learned about Maria, learned about her teacher, and learned about all of the things that they do together. So I'm really excited to work a little bit more in this book. But good job today, guys. See you later.